How to upload status on WhatsApp web on laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video we will see how we can upload status on WhatsApp web on laptop. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to get to web.whatsapp.com, and after that you have to log in with your WhatsApp account. Once you logged in and you land in your chat page, now if you like to upload in status in your WhatsApp account, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side of this screen. Now under this chat icon there is a status icon, simply click on it. Now you have to click on my status. It says click to add status update, so click on it. After that you have to choose whether you would like to add photos and videos or text to your status. Click on it. After that, you have to type in a status right here. And once you're done, you have to click on this send icon from this bottom right corner, and with that, this status will be updated to your WhatsApp account. Or if you like to close it and add photos and videos, you have to click on photos and videos. Now you have to choose the particular photos and videos that you like to add from your device. Once you do that, click on open and then click on add, and with that the photos or videos will again be uploaded in your status on WhatsApp web. So that's the easiest way to add status in your WhatsApp web in your laptop, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.